Let us read and enjoy the story The Tailor and His Friends. Kalu, K-L-U, Kalu, the tailor, T-A-I-L-O-R, T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor, had a shop, S-H-O-P, shop, near, N-E-A-R, near the river, R-I-V-E-R, the river. Kalu the tailor had a shop near the river. He made M-A-D-E made colorful C-O-L-O-U-R-F-U-L colorful pants, P-A-N-T-S pants and shirts, S-H-I-R-T-S shirts for children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N children. He made colorful pants and shirts for children. Appu, A-P-P-U, Appu, the elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant was his friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. Appu the elephant was his friend. Appu came to his shop every day, E-V-E-R-Y-D-A, every day. Appu came to his shop every day. Kalu gave him many things. Nice, N-I-C-E, nice things, T-H-I-N-G-S, things to eat, E-A-T, eat. Kalu gave him many nice things to eat. One day Kalu wanted, W-A-N-T-E-D, wanted to play a trick. He did not give Appu anything, A-N-Y-T-H-I-N-G, to eat. He took out his needle, N-E-E-D-L-E, needle, instead, I-N-S-T-E-A-D, instead, and pricked, P-R-I-C-K-E-D, pricked Appu's trunk, T-R-U-N-K, trunk. Appu ran away in pain, P-A-I-N, pain. One day Kalu wanted to play a trick. He did not give Appu anything to eat. He took out his needle instead and pricked Appu's trunk. Appu ran away in pain. 2 days later, 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 Appu came down to the river and filled, F-I-L-L-E-D, filled his trunk, T-R-U-N-K, trunk with water, W-A-T-E-R, water. 2 days later, Appu came down to the river and filled his trunk with water. He reached, R-E-A-C-H-E-D, reached Kalu's shop and threw, T-H-R-E-W, threw water everywhere, E-V-E-R-Y-W-H-E-R-E, everywhere. All the new clothes, C-L-O-T-H-E, clothes became wet. 2 days later, Appu came down to the river and filled his trunk with water. He reached Kalu's shop and threw water everywhere. All the new clothes became wet. Appu shook, S-H-O-O-K, shook his trunk, T-R-U-N-K, trunk, and said, "An elephant never forgets." Kalu said, "I am sorry, Appu, let's be friends, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends again." Kalu and Appu became good friends. Now let us read this story again. The Tailor and His Friends. Kalu the tailor had a shop near the river. He made colorful pants and shirts for children. Appu the elephant was his friend. Appu came to his shop every day. Kalu gave him many nice things to eat. One day Kalu wanted to play a trick. He did not give Appu anything to eat. He took out his needle instead and pricked Appu's trunk. Appu ran away in pain. 2 days later, Appu came down to the river and filled his trunk with water. He reached Kalu's shop and threw water everywhere. All the new clothes became wet. Appu shook his trunk and said, "An elephant never forgets." Kalu said, "I am sorry, Appu, let's be friends again." Kalu and Appu became good friends.